Oh putain de merde. Vas-y, vas-y, c'est bon. Oh là 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 là.
Fucking knobhead.
Anybody for the first time.
From one to the other, and they took the back roads because they thought it would be quicker, and their car just stalled and they couldn't get it started, and they eventually turned the lights on the car. They got a bit of power to it, and
just about gonna rip that truck in half. Yeah, I just decided to record this because the guy wouldn't stop. Wow. Jesus. Wow.
Look what you did to my car. You scratched it. How much is that? Let me see. 20. This all you got?
Yeah, 2
This all your money right here?
Yeah.
You don't got no more money?
Really?
You got more?
No, nothing.
That's everything?
Yeah. Sorry, my friend.
You know what? Here, take your money. Here, take your money. I don't want your money.
Huh?
I don't want your money, Bob.
Pero ¿cuánto?
Don't worry about it. Nah, don't worry about it. I'll fix it myself.
¿Cuánto?
Nah, don't worry about it. Go ahead.
No tengo más.
Don't worry about it. Just drive safe next time. Drive safely next time. Go ahead, go ahead. Go to your car. No. Go.
The police is riding economical right now. Jeez! Is that you, officer, yeah? Stunt for the cam. Give me a pose. My brother. Jeez! Okay. Officer, spit bars. Yo, man's a PC. You get me. Keyboard. Alt, delete. What are you stunting on me for? What's that line on your head? Jeez, road, man. So yeah, don't blame me for filming it. My brother. You're looking like Robocop right now.
in general direction towards the fire station and the top road. Its speed 40 miles an hour, there's no pedestrians. Broomall Road. Ramming again. Broomall Road. Broomall Road. Broomall Road. There's no other traffic activity in the area, and we're being rammed again at CK, we're being rammed. Broomall Road. 8126. West towards the roundabout, towards the... It's towards the Channel 6, Many Heights roundabout, mate. General direction of Many Heights roundabout. What kind of transport is it? Out the window there. We were St John Street, around a number of times at a slow speed. Possible on standby.
Jesus! Dawlish.
I know this is a Reynolds. This is a Renault, fam. Oh my god, no. You've done the whole... Oh, so it's a Cadillac as well, yeah? So the thing's a Cadillac as well? Yo, how dare my... No!